In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and find Airbnb management. So what I suggest is actually leveraging these online platforms and networks. So we have, for example, airhostforum.com. We also have the Airbnb Community Center. So what I usually do is, since we are fortunate to have this wealth of information right at our fingertips, you can utilize this by coming here, clicking on search, and you can search for Airbnb management. And then let's say you are in London, you can write Airbnb management London. So if I click onto this post right here, just as an example, look at this. So right now they are suggesting HostMaker, right? People are asking like, you know, is this a good service? Is it advisable to go ahead and use this? And now look at this. People have been using HostMaker in the UK for a while and they're happy with this, right? And there we go. And then people suggest other companies. Look at this, B&B Easy. We have somewhere like Home, right? So you can use this to find other, services like Happy Guest, as you can see. So you can go ahead and utilize things like this and you go ahead and conduct online research. So what you do is, so these are people in Airbnb, hosts that have used these services. You can also go ahead and copy this, go to Google, search for more reviews, or look at Reddit. There you go. A lot of reviews on just Reddit. Okay. And if I come here, you can go to other websites as well. Now, the importance of online reviews and ratings are that, you know, it's important because what happens is you can see whether or not these companies or websites or services live up to these expectations. Now, look, a few, negative reviews, they're normal. Okay. No business can satisfy every customer. However, if you see a pattern of negative feedback, that could be a red flag. You want to look for a company with generally positive reviews and responsible responses to any negative feedback. Okay. So if there's any negative feedback, you want to see if they have given any good feedback to that, responsible feedback. And these are a valuable resource when searching for the perfect management service for your Airbnb, right? Utilize them to their full potential and you will be well on your way to finding a service that not only meets and exceeds your expectations. And there you have it, guys. Really that easy and simple.